The activity key question for activity 8 is, what effect does a force have on a moving object when the force is not along the object's path? Now, on activity 2 to activity 7, we learned that, let's say that this is the object, it's a ball, and this is the object's path. If we apply a forward force, a constant forward force, the object is going to speed up. But this force is in the path of the object. We apply a backward force, the object is going to slow down, but it is still in the path of the ball. If we apply two forces, and the forces are equally strong or they're balanced, the object is going to remain at a constant speed, assuming that the object is moving, right? Now, if this force is stronger than this one, then the object is going to speed up. But if this force is stronger than this one, then the object is slowing down. It's going to slow down. However, all of the forces that we have talked about are in the object's path, either a backward force or a forward force. Now, in this activity, we want to see if we apply a force that is not on the object's path. An example of that force will be if I apply a force in this direction, this direction. All the orange arrows will represent forces that are not on the object's path. So what did we learn? Two things. Number one, and very obvious, we learned that if I have an object that is moving, right, and I apply a force that is not in the object's path, the ball or the object is going to curve. In other words, it's going to get another path, a new path. It's simple. The second thing that we learn is that if you keep applying a continuous force to the object, it's going to be moving in circles. As an example, let's say that I have this ball. Right? And then I hit the ball perpendicularly. It's going to turn. How much it turns is going to depend on the speed of the ball and the strength of the force. But it's going to turn. So if I apply another force perpendicularly, it's going to continue turning until it makes basically a circle. So those are the two things that we learned. If you hit an object and you apply a force that is not on the object's path, it's going to change the direction, it's going to change the path. And the second thing we learn is that if you keep hitting the object with a continuous inward force, then the object will move in a circle.